Taxpayers may maintain its books of accounts in any of the following manner. Manual books of accounts, loose leaf books of accounts with permit to use, and computerized books of accounts. So may tatlong klase po ng books of accounts allowed by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Ito po yung manual books of accounts natin. Ito po yung kalimitan na ginagamit ng mga taxpayers kasi simple lang siya gamitin. Bibili mo lang sa office supply store or school supply store, tapos register mo sa BIR, magagamit mo na siya. Okay? Pangalawa is yung loose leaf. Yung loose leaf, yun yung Microsoft Excel na may format ng recording ng business transactions natin. So instead na mag-fill out ka dito, sakit sa kamay, pwede ka naman doon sa Microsoft Excel mag-type na lang. Tapos naka-format na siya. Loose leaf ang tawag doon. Kaya nga lang ina-applyan din siya ng permit to use. So lahat ng books of accounts naman may registration muna before use. Pangatlo, yung computerized books of accounts. Yung computerized books of accounts, meron kang accounting software na nire-register din sa Bureau of Internal Revenue. So mag-input ka lang doon ng inyong mga data ng transactions natin ng business, ng taxpayer. Tapos in just few clicks, meron ng reports yun, may financial statements na rin. Tapos meron na rin siyang recording sa back-end ng accounting software na yon. Kaya nga lang yung computerized books of accounts ay expensive dahil kailangan mong magbumili ng accounting software o mag-subscribe doon sa accounting software. Yung loose leaf naman, kailangan mo ng know-how knowledge how to operate the computer and the format of the books of accounts doon sa Microsoft Excel. Tapos kapag hindi ka pa marunong ng Microsoft Excel, baka magulo-gulo yung formula, yari ka na. So kadalasan po, most of the taxpayers, ang ginagamit ay manual books of accounts. Ito rin yung ginagamit ko sa practice ng profession ko, accountancy profession, pati sa ating small company, Accounting Tutorial Center. Manual books of accounts tayo.